Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, family. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another video. I am so excited to get started in this video because this video is a partnership video. I have partnered up with a company called Jacfit. And what Jacfit is, it's a cycling program for weight loss, for health. Okay, as you know, on this channel, that's all we do over here. We talk about healthy living, healthy lifestyle, and as you know, your girl needs to get fit. Okay, I've been quarantined for a while and I work at home, so I don't get out as much for physical fitness. Well, this company reached out to me and I have partnered up with them to get healthy, to get fit. And what it is a get up and move program to get you up, get you in good health, get you to lose that weight, burn it off, even in the privacy of your own home. So for those of us who really don't get to go out much, who may not even have gym memberships, who may not even have a bicycle, to actually go out and ride, you can still use this program on a stationary in-home bike. Spinning, cycling machines, whatever you have in the home, you can use it as well. And being that I don't have a bike, they've even blessed your girl with an indoor cycling machine. So I am so excited to get this started. To hook this up, I need to unbox my machine. So let's go in the living room and I'll show you exactly what they did. And I'll explain a little bit more about this tracker. So here it is, my brand new spinning bike, indoor cycling bike, and I gotta get this out the box and put it together. All right, so let me get this bike unboxed and set it up so this way I can show you more about this wonderful program. So now, 2 hours later, no, about an hour later, let's go see my handiwork. There are plenty of indoor cycling trainers that combine with your smartphone to help you get a good workout indoors. The Jacfit tracker takes it to the next level. It connects to your iOS or Android device and records your speed, power, and calorie count. It lets you invite friends for a group workout as well as communicate through the voice chat function. Jbike lets you compete with different people across the world in tournaments. It also is possible to schedule a private workout party with your friends. The Jbike cycling tracker is easy to install and lasts up to 700 hours on battery. It comes with all the accessories ready to hook up to either your standard or outdoor bike. Okay, so right here I just finished attaching my Jbike tracker to my spin bike. Now, please excuse my hog ties. I'll probably have to cut them because I should have had them going down instead of up. But then I also attach my battery tracker to the spin bike. And as you can see, once it connects, it's ready to go. So all I have to do now is download the app on my phone and Bluetooth it. Okay, so here is my profile of the app. You can also create an avatar of yourself, which is what I did. Okay, this is my avatar. I picked out her outfit. Now, being that this is basically, I guess, a beginning type of app, it doesn't really give you a whole lot of different colorful options. You know, if you want to unlock other stuff, I guess you have to purchase those. Okay, but this is my avatar. I already got her ready. Now, if I wanted to just do some roaming, I can go on the app and roam. I can go either to Arctic, Desert, Starfield, or the city. I can also do tournaments with other people. I can create a tournament, or I can join an already active tournament and ride with other people. I can also create a party or join a party. Let's see if there's any parties on here. No parties. No parties. Now there was something that I saw. Okay, let's go to the city. I did see that when I went to the city mode before, there was already, see, there's already other people on the app from around the world. There's somebody, Ellis in Britain. There's Julian Chin. There's also Elena in the United States. Okay, so there's people already on here from other parts of the country. This is my avatar. She hasn't gone anywhere yet because I'm not on the bike. Just explaining this part of the feature to you. And these are basically the nearby players that are already on the app. What it also can do is count your calories. Tells you your battery, your attitude, your mileage, how much you've already rode. You know, so it's like a basic, nice little enjoyable feature that you can ride. So this way you can actually see other things, try to, you know, compete against other people, as well as, you know, try to push yourself and enjoy whatever the scenery that your avatar is doing. It's really cute. Let's see, it's Bluetooth. You hook up your Bluetooth feature. Being that I'm not on the bike now, it's not going to pick up the actual feature because you have to be on the bike and ride, so that it can pick up your Bluetooth, and this way you put down your bike, or your network of the bike is going to be underneath, and you connect it to the app, and this way you can actually see your avatar moving around, and it will calculate your pedal strokes, calorie, weight loss, all of that. Now if you had friends that are also on this app, you can have them listed. This also has a voice chat where you can actually talk along with your friends as you're riding the bike. It's a wonderful feature. You can chit chat with your friends, cheer them on, encourage them, you know, compete, race. Yeah, so this is really a wonderful, fun app, a fun way of enjoying your bike riding. And I'm really going to enjoy this. I thank you so much, Jacfit, for sponsoring this video, as well as blessing me with a Jbike. So this way I can get active and start my exercise fitness journey. Okay. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Thank you, Jbike, for sponsoring this video and blessing me with this Jacfit tracker to help me get on my journey of fitness, for helping me to get moving. So now I have no excuse for exercising. I just need to get on my bike and start moving. So thank you again. Thank you for blessing me with a Jacfit Jbike. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are interested in physical fitness. If you already have a bike and you like this Jbike app, I'll have the links for this company down below in this video. And I have so many wonderful other things coming up your way. Thank you, and I will see you again in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.